In this video, we're going to show you how to send and receive programs to and from your MarkinBOX controller. Once we have all our information laid out on a grid and all your settings finalized, now we can look at saving the program to your control box. Remember that your control box can hold 255 programs. First, we want to go to File Marking. Under File Marking, we have several options to choose from. Send File, Read File, Delete File, Send All Files, Read All Files, and Delete All Files. For this example, we're going to send a file to the control box. Now we're going to choose the location of the file. Under File Number, we're going to choose number 4 for this example, and then we are going to give it a name to help easily identify the file. We're going to select Done, and it is going to confirm the location of the file. Next, we're going to go under Read File. This will help us to confirm the location of our new file, but we're going to go through a few examples to show you of previous programs that we have saved onto the control box. Finally, we are going to reopen our video file. Once we have opened the file and it is successfully read, now we can go on to marking.